Never throw away banana peels after eating bananas. Most people see them as waste, but in reality, you could be tossing away one of the richest natural sources of potassium your garden could ever receive. And today, I want to show you how to transform something so simple into a powerful homemade liquid fertilizer that can completely change the way your plants grow. This natural fertilizer can help your plants develop stronger roots, produce more flowers, and grow healthier, sweeter fruits, all without expensive chemicals or synthetic products. And the best part is that the secret is incredibly simple. Start by cutting the banana peels into very small pieces. This step is much more important than most people realize. Smaller pieces allow the minerals and nutrients to release into the water much faster, sometimes up to 3 times faster than if you leave the peels whole. Once the peels are finely chopped, place them into a clean glass jar and add about 500 milliliters of clean water. Banana peels are especially rich in potassium, and potassium plays a critical role in plant development. It strengthens the root system, improves nutrient transport inside the plant, promotes even flowering, and helps fruits develop better color, flavor, and sweetness. This is especially noticeable with tomatoes and peppers, which often become sweeter and more vibrant when they receive enough potassium naturally. Now it's time to let nature do the work. Allow the mixture to soak for at least 6 hours, although leaving it overnight will produce even better results. During this time, the water slowly absorbs the minerals from the peels, turning into a nutrient-rich solution your plants can easily use. The next day, you'll notice that the water has turned a light brown color. That's the sign your potassium-rich fertilizer is ready. Before using it, strain the liquid carefully through a clean cloth or a fine mesh strainer. This step is extremely important. Any remaining organic particles that haven't fully broken down can eventually create mold or encourage harmful bacteria near the roots of your plants. Filtering the solution completely keeps the nutrients in their pure liquid form, allowing the roots to absorb them almost immediately after watering. Before applying the fertilizer, gently loosen the top layer of soil around the base of the plant. This small step makes a huge difference. It breaks apart the hardened surface layer, improves oxygen circulation, and helps the liquid soak deeply into the root zone instead of simply running off the surface. Once the soil is loosened, slowly pour the filtered solution directly around the base of the plant. Use this fertilizer consistently once a week. With regular feeding, your plants receive a steady source of natural energy that supports faster growth, healthier leaves, stronger stems, and better fruit production. And this is where the magic really begins. After about 10 to 20 days of regular use, you'll usually start seeing the first flower buds appear. Soon after, those flowers begin transforming into clusters of healthy green fruits. It's amazing how something most people throw away without thinking can become such a valuable tool in the garden. I truly hope this simple tip helps your garden grow stronger, healthier, and more productive. If you try it yourself, I'd love to hear about your results in the comments. Now let me show you another secret that many experienced gardeners have quietly used for years: coffee grounds. Most people throw coffee grounds straight into the trash after making coffee, but they're actually packed with nutrients that plants love. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, magnesium, phosphorus, and several trace minerals that help support healthy growth and rich green foliage. But there's one very important detail many people overlook. Before using coffee grounds in the garden, you should dry them first. Fresh, wet coffee grounds can develop mold quickly, especially if stored in closed containers or applied too heavily around plants. Once the grounds are fully dried, place 2 tablespoons into a clean glass jar and add 1 liter of room temperature water. Using water at room temperature is important because it helps preserve beneficial microorganisms while preventing sudden chemical changes that could reduce the effectiveness of the nutrients naturally found in coffee. Stir the mixture thoroughly and let it rest for a full 24 hours. During this time, the nutrients slowly dissolve into the water, creating a gentle organic liquid fertilizer that plants can absorb much more efficiently through the roots. After 24 hours, strain the mixture carefully using a clean cloth or a fine sieve. Again, this step is essential. Removing leftover sediment helps prevent anaerobic mold formation, reduces the risk of harmful bacteria, and keeps insects from gathering around the base of the plant. More importantly, a clean filtered solution allows oxygen to continue circulating properly through the soil while helping roots absorb nutrients safely and efficiently. This purified coffee fertilizer creates ideal conditions for steady, healthy growth. Before watering, loosen the soil around the plant just as before. Breaking up the compacted surface layer improves airflow, helps moisture penetrate deeper into the soil, and allows the nutrients to reach the roots instead of staying near the surface. Apply this coffee ground solution once a week. As the liquid moves into the soil, it helps create a healthier microbial environment around the roots. Many gardeners also notice another surprising benefit. The strong scent and mild acidity of coffee can naturally discourage pests like slugs and ants from gathering near the plant. And all of this happens without using harsh or toxic chemicals. It's honestly incredible to see the transformation over time. After about 30 days of regular use, even a weak, struggling seedling can turn into a strong, lush green plant filled with healthy new growth. That's the real power of organic nutrition. Sometimes the best fertilizers aren't expensive products from a garden center. Sometimes they're already sitting in your kitchen, waiting to be reused instead of thrown away. And when plants receive nutrients in a slow, natural, balanced way, they often respond with stronger growth, healthier leaves, and better harvest than you would expect. One of the most satisfying moments for any gardener is watching the first flowers appear. Then, almost suddenly, tiny green peppers begin forming beneath the flowers, growing larger every day before slowly turning into a deep, vibrant red. That transformation never gets old. From something as simple as banana peels and coffee grounds, you can create a healthier garden while reducing waste at the same time. Nature already provides almost everything plants need. Sometimes we just have to learn how to use it properly. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these simple organic gardening tips inspire you to experiment more with natural fertilizers at home. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue growing together and discovering more simple ways to keep our gardens healthy every single day. And if you decide to try these methods yourself, I genuinely love to hear how your plants respond. Take care of your garden, and it will always reward you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.